students. Today we are moving on to chapter number 6, Scratch Programming Language, or we are going to study more on Scratch Programming Language. Students, in your earlier classes you have studied simple projects in Scratch. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study continuation of what you have studied in your earlier classes. All of you know that Scratch, it is a programming language which is used to create programs in a computer. Okay, Scratch, it is a programming language which is used to create programs in computer. And what are these programs? They are known as script. Okay, the Scratch programming languages, they are being used for creating programs in a computer, and these programs, they are known as script. Then what do you mean by a sprite? A sprite, it is a cartoon character. And where is this sprite present? It is present in an area known as stage. Okay, a sprite, it is a cartoon character and they are present in an area known as stage. And we know that a sprite, they can move, rotate, draw, play, sound, etc. So these things you have studied in your earlier classes and I am just briefing out. Students, all of you are familiar with the Scratch programming language, and when you open this Scratch, what is the first thing that appears on the screen? It is a cat sprite. Like what you see in this picture, a cat sprite is the one that defaultly appears on the stage when you open Scratch first. Okay. And all of you have used this cat sprite in your various projects. And you know that Scratch, they has got a library, and inside this library there are many built-in sprites. Either you can use this built-in sprites, or you can draw your own sprites, or even you can use an image as a sprite. So these are some of the options of how to use a sprite. Okay, first thing is there is a library in Scratch from which you can choose built-in sprites, or you can draw your own sprite, or even you can use an image as a sprite. Okay, so sprite means it is a cartoon character and it is present in an area which is known as stage. And first, when you open Scratch, the first thing that appears on the stage is a cat sprite. Okay, and Scratch, it has got a library in which there are some built-in sprites. You can either use these sprites, or you can even draw your own sprite, or even you can use an image as a sprite. Okay, so these are some of the options of how to use a sprite. Now let us study how to add a new sprite on the stage. There are 4 ways to add a new sprite on the stage. Okay, and now let us see which are these 4 methods through which we can add a new sprite on the stage. Students, are you familiar with this section? This section is known as new sprite section. Okay, and this section has been located, or it is present at the bottom right corner of the stage. Okay, this section, it is known as new sprite section, and it is been present, or it is located at the bottom right corner of the stage. And you can see there are 4 different buttons present in this section, and each button, they can be used to add a new sprite on the stage by using different ways. Okay, so the new sprite section, it has got 4 buttons, and each button, they can be used for adding a new sprite onto the stage. First button is being used for choosing the sprite from library. Okay, second sprite we can create by using paint. Okay, and third sprite by uploading from the computer, and fourth one is by using our camera or webcam. Okay, so these are the 4 different ways in which we can add a new sprite onto the stage. First one is you can choose from the library. Second one is by using paint. Third one is from uploading from our computer, and fourth one is by using webcam. Okay, now let us study in detail about how these 4 methods of adding a new sprite onto the stage. First, let us study how to choose sprite from library. We know that First, when you open the Scratch, by default what appears on the stage is a cat sprite. Okay, and if you want to add another sprite along with this default cat sprite, what you have to do is you have to click on the choose sprite from library button. We know that the first button provided is for choose sprite from library, and you have to click on that particular button. Okay, once you click on the choose sprite from library button, the sprite library window will appear. Students, what you see in this picture is the sprite library window. Okay, and you can see there are many options which are provided in this window, and you can choose any one of the sprite from this window and you can click on it. I am choosing the option bat one and I am clicking on that particular option. Okay, after clicking on bat one, I'll be clicking on the OK button. Once you click on the OK button, the selected sprite will automatically appear on the stage along with that default cat sprite. Students, now you can see that the bat appears on the stage along with the default cat sprite. Okay, so this is how you can choose a new sprite by using library. First thing is that we always know that once you open the Scratch, by default a cat sprite is the one that you can see on the stage. Okay, and if you want to add another sprite along with this cat sprite, what you have to do is you have to click on the choose sprite from library button. That is the first button provided. Okay, once you click on the sprite from library button, the sprite library window will appear. Now, there are many options which are provided over that window. You have to choose any one option from that, and I have chosen a bat one option. Okay, after choosing the sprite, you have to click on the OK button. The selected sprite will automatically appear on the stage along with the default cat sprite. See, I have chosen a bat sprite and it has appeared along with the cat sprite. So this is how you can choose a sprite from library. So now we have seen how to choose a sprite by using library. Next, let us study how to paint a new sprite. Okay, that is, in Scratch we can paint our own sprite for our project. Okay, for that first we have to click on the paint new sprite button from the new sprite section, which is the button that is being provided for painting. You know that the second button is the one which is being provided for painting. You have to click on that particular button. Okay, so once again, first you have to click on the new paint sprite button. That is the second button which has been present in the new sprite section. Okay, once you click on the paint new sprite button, see in this figure 6.4, a sprite paint editor will appear like what you see in this picture. Okay, this is known as sprite paint editor window, and over this window you can see over the left side the painting being provided, and over the bottom section a color palette is also being provided. Okay, and you can use the mouse in order to draw or paint a new sprite. After completing your painting, you can give a particular name for the sprite. Okay, so this is how you can paint a new sprite. First thing is you have to click on the paint new sprite button, and once you click on that particular button, the painting editor window will appear. Okay, and over that particular window, over the left side painting tools are being given, and over the bottom section color palette is also being given. By using these tools you can paint a new sprite. After completing your painting, you can give a new name for that particular sprite. Okay, once you give the name for that particular sprite, it will get added to the sprite list. And look at figure 6.5, you can see a new sprite is being added over to the stage. Okay, so this is how you can paint a new sprite. Moving on to the third method of how to add a new sprite to our Scratch. Third method is by using uploading sprite from file. Okay, now let us study how to upload a sprite by using file. For uploading the sprite from file, you have to click on the third button. Okay, third button has been provided for uploading from computer or by using our files. Once you click on this upload sprite from file button, you can locate an image from your system and use it as a sprite. Look at your figure 6.6 in your textbook. Once you click on the upload sprite from file button, what you will see is this particular figure. Okay, that is, you will be able to see your system pictures. You can choose any one of the image from your system and you can use it as a sprite. After that, you have to click on open button in order to add it onto the stage, like what you see in figure 6.6. Okay, and the sprite will appear on the stage and also will get added to the sprite list, like what you see in figure 6.7. So once again, once you click on the upload sprite from file button, what you will see is that you will be able to locate an image from your system. Okay, and you can use one of this image as a sprite, like what you see in figure 6.6. Okay, your system library will appear, picture library will appear, and you can choose one picture from that, and then you have to click on open button. Okay, once you click on open button, the new sprite will get added onto the stage, like what you see in figure 6.7. Okay, so this is how you can upload a sprite from file. Now moving on to the fourth method, that is adding a new sprite from camera. For that, first you have to click on the fourth button which has been present in the new sprite section. Okay, this fourth button is being provided for choosing a new sprite from camera. Okay, and the only concern about this method is that your computer system should have a camera. Okay, only then we'll be able to add a new sprite by using camera. Okay, the only concern about this method is that your computer system should have a built-in camera. Okay, and when you select this option, the camera of your system will open. Okay, and you can click and upload the image onto the stage. So this is how you can upload a new sprite from camera. First thing is, you have to click on the fourth button which has been provided over the new sprite section. Okay, that particular button, fourth button, has been provided for selecting a new sprite from camera. And only concern about this method is that your computer system should have a built-in camera. And once you select this option, the camera of your system will open and you can click and upload the image onto the stage. Okay, so this is how you can upload a new sprite from our webcam. So now we have seen the four methods of how to add a new sprite onto the stage. First method was you have to choose sprite from library. Second one is you have to paint a new sprite. Third one is you have to upload the sprite from file. And last one is you have to choose a new sprite by using our webcam. Okay, so these are the four methods of how to add a new sprite onto the stage. And also in this class we saw what do you mean by a script, what do you mean by a sprite, what do you mean by a stage. Okay, so these are the things what we studied in this class. And with this I am ending my class today. Thank you.